Okay guys, today you are going to learn how to make chicken adobo. Okay, follow me. Okay, okay, go to the kitchen. What you need first is you need the oil. Okay, okay, wait. Oil. Use this one. I don't know what oil this one is. Okay, and you need salt and pepper. First. Okay. Okay, so now what you're doing is you want to put the spoon like this on top, like that, and then you want to put only a little bit of oil. Oh, that's too much. Don't be stupid like me. That's too much oil. Okay, then you put the salt. A little bit. Oh, that was pepper. My bad. And then you put the salt. Oh, see, there's okay. Then after, just mix around with your finger, and then bam, you have chicken adobo.